Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your T-Mobile account number and PIN. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is hop out of any kind of T-Mobile or website or anything like that, and we need to make sure that your SIM card is unlocked. So on your iPhone or Android, let's head into the settings, and from here, tap on the General option, and then tap on About at the very top. If you scroll down from here, you're going to check to see if your carrier lock is associated with your SIM card. If your SIM card does have a carrier lock, that means you cannot get your account number and PIN to port out or transfer from T-Mobile over to a different carrier. If that is the case, then you need to pay off that phone fully, and then you'll be able to port out or transfer your phone number. So if you do have a carrier lock, make sure you take care of that first. The second thing we can do is find that account number and PIN. So we could open up a browser on here, and if I type in T-Mobile PIN number, you'll be able to see all I need to do is to get that PIN number. You can see transfer PIN or port out PIN. Essentially, when you port out or transfer out your phone number from T-Mobile to a different carrier, you need your account number and you need that PIN code. To be able to do that, you can see all you need to do is go to the app or the website. You can go to Account and then Profile, Security, and request a transfer PIN. And you can see all I need to do also is scroll down and you can see how do I find my PIN number from my account. Again, it just says all you need to do is log into your account, and then from there, you'll be able to request that PIN number, and the account number should just be in any kind of your bill. So just pull up a bill and you'll see that account number. Now, if any of these don't work, all you need to do is go back, because you could also just call T-Mobile customer support. You can see you can dial 611 or you can dial 1-800-937-8997. And by calling that phone number, you can just enter in your basically password or PIN code, and then they will give you access to that information. They will give you a one-time PIN code to be able to port out that phone number. Keep in mind, those usually expire after a day or 2 days, so you need to do it fairly quickly. Then you go over to the new carrier. Let's say you're transferring from T-Mobile over to US Mobile, and then you would type in something like US Mobile port in. And then you can go through the process of bringing your phone number into US Mobile, or if you're transferring into AT&T or Sprint or Verizon or whatever you're transferring into, you can go through that process and again use that number, the account number and the PIN number, to be able to transfer your phone number into the new carrier. Keep in mind, don't cancel anything on T-Mobile. Keep it live and active until you've transferred everything over, and then you can cancel out your plan on T-Mobile. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.